Take your transactional print and mail operation to a higher level of performance with an unprecedented combination of format flexibility, unmatched throughput, and outstanding print quality. The BlueCrest IntelliJet 42 printing system is the most productive digital color press on the market today. Based on the HP page-wide web press T400 HD color series, it's designed to help you maximize productivity, minimize cost, and make a great impression every time. You can meet your challenges with our proven, flexible, and upgradable platform. The high-definition nozzle architecture technology creates impactful, higher-value communications and delivers non-stop performance with offset quality replacement, industry-leading digital productivity, and unparalleled return on investment. This digital ink solution is at the top of its performance class. The 42-inch web width 4-up format delivers exceptional color quality in duplex at unmatched full production speeds. Start every job with plain white paper. In performance mode, it prints up to 1,000 feet per minute, so you can produce over 500,000 full-color pages an hour for a total of up to 210 million letter-size images per month. Or print in quality mode at 500 feet per minute and in finer print resolution for color-critical applications. Consistent, reliable quality is delivered with 8 times nozzle redundancy via HP's patented thermal inkjet technology. HDNA technology sets the new standard for digital productivity and quality. It provides smooth skin tones and incredible shadow detail with 2,400 nozzles per inch native resolution and dual drop weight enhanced images. Combine offset quality replacement with profitable printing on a wide range of standard uncoated offset media and inkjet optimized coated media. Now you can print transactional communications that attract attention and improve business results. Optional inline priming solutions helps lower costs. Plus, the durable output stands up to folding and inserting with no loss of quality. The IntelliJet Print Process Manager allows you to transform print streams, optimize output, manage workflow, and integrate the print and mail process. An optional IPDS controller is also available. Produce full-color, highly personalized, high-quality inkjet print and mail. Maximize productivity and profits with unmatched levels of operational effectiveness. Create higher-value communications for your customers. Do it all with the IntelliJet 42 HD printing system. For more information, visit us online at BlueCrestInc.com.